Okay, now that we've mastered ones, let's talk about this number, 0. Let's say I have 0 groups of 4. How many do I have? 0. If I have 0 groups of 4 cookies, how many do I have altogether? 0. Any number times 0 is 0. So if I have 0 times 46, guess what? Nope, 0. If I have 0 times 173, guess what? 0. Oh my gosh, aren't zeros the best? Any number times 0 is 0. What about 0 divided by a number? Let's say 4. 0 divided by 4. I have 0 things split up into 4 groups. How many are in each group? 0. I have 0 cookies divided by 196 people. How many cookies is each person getting? 0. None. They're not getting a single one because I have no cookies to give. 0 divided by any number is 0. All right, let's take a look at our problem set. So, right here, B, blank divided by 7 equals 0. I have blank divided by 7 equals 0. Well, any number divided, or 0 divided by any number gives me 0, so I know this has to be a 0. What about F? Blank times 0 equals 0. Ooh, this is kind of fun. Blank times 0 equals 0. Remember? Any number times 0 is 0. You can literally put any number you want right here. I think I'm going to put my favorite number 3 times in a row. 222 times 0. Yep, it's still 0. Any number times 0 is 0. 0 divided by any number is 0.